I'm digging this place now. Subscribers around the globe and fellow farmers. Now, in this particular video, I want to share something very, very important to us. Now, if you look here, you see something I have here. This is cassava. These are cassava harvested from the farm, but that is not why we are making this video. Why we are making this video is how to prevent or how to preserve this cassava. I harvested it, I don't want to use it. You have harvested your cassava, you're not ready to use it. How can I do to preserve them, to keep them fresh till anytime you want to use them? Not for every time, but for a particular period of time before you want to use them. This is the reason why we are making this video. So if you watch this video to this point, what you have to do for me is hit the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and leave us a comment. You know, understand? And then tell somebody else about this farm, about farm with here and there. So this is how you're going to be. If you want to know how you can comfortably at home preserve your cassava bunch, your cassava after you must have harvested, how to preserve them for a particular period of time before you can use them. If anytime you want to use them, how to preserve them. This is why we're making this video. Now, for those of us who don't know, watch with me closely as you learn carefully how to preserve your. Now I'm going to be digging down this place. I'm digging this place now. Now make sure that when you're digging it, you're digging this in a place where there will not be a lot of sun, penetration of sun, unlike where I'm standing here. It's under a guava tree. So we are digging. I don't want it to be too deep. After you must have dug the ground the particular level you want, and because of the quantity, you don't want it to be too deep, but making it deeper is a little bit safer. You know, understand? Because of the sunlight, if it is in case of dry season or where you are there is no rain. So but in this case there's been continuous rainfall on a daily. You know, understand? So I don't want it to be too deep. So after you must have dug this, we now come with our cassava. We put them. We put them inside the ground like that. After you must have put it inside the ground, the next step which you need to do. Now, let's cut off this thing. You see, we'll be using this to cover them like this. Then now cover them with sand. So I'll be using this particular cassava to go live on a Sunday or Saturday. I'll be going live. I'll be showing you what I'll be using this cassava for. So we have put them on inside the ground now. If you want, you can just do it like this. So once it's there, it's safe. Now, why are we putting them inside your mouth? You might want to ask, why are you burying them? We are burying them so that they will remain ever fresh. While this way, they are fresh, they remain fresh, they remain, as if you just harvested them today. You understand? That is the essence of why we are making this video. So if you watch this video to this point, what you have to do for us is hit the subscribe button, turn on the post notification bell, and what you have to do above all, give this video a thumbs up and leave us a comment. Don't play. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.